Brad Williams, Excel Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the day function. Very simple. This will be a very short tutorial. The day function, it just returns the day as a number. So all we're looking at here, use the day function to determine the calendar date of the month. The day function, Excel returns the day of the month from a given date as a number between 1 and 31. The day function can be used to extract a day number from a date into a cell. The day function returns the day value for a specified date as a number between 1 and 31. Formula or the function is day and here, B5 equals. The day function can be used to extract a day number from a date into a cell. Additionally, you can use the day function, and we've used it before, to extract and pass a day value to another function, such as the date function. For example, and we did this earlier, date 2029 month day. The date argument must be an Excel date. If not, you're going to get a value error. So here we go. All we're going to do is say day in B5. What does it represent? The 28th day. 5/9/2039, day 9. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.